Alex Eala ready to break through at Canadian Open amid star-studded showdown. Montreal, the stage is set. The lights are bright, and Alex Eala is ready to rise. The 20-year-old Filipina tennis sensation is stepping into one of the biggest tests of her young career as she competes in the Canadian Open at the IGA Stadium in Montreal. This Saturday, Manila time. But this isn't just another tournament. It could be her breakout moment on the global stage. Fresh off a short but energizing break in the Philippines, Eala is back on the hard courts after a grueling yet impressive grass season that saw her reach the finals of the Eastbourne Open and earn a coveted main draw spot at Wimbledon. Now she shifts her focus to Montreal, armed with momentum and brimming with quiet confidence. And she'll need every ounce of it. While the official draw remains under wraps, Eala is expected to face a gauntlet of familiar, top-tier rivals, some of whom she has already shared compelling battles with. World No. 1 Iga Swiatek, American dynamo Coco Gauff, powerful Madison Keys, and defending champion Jessica Pegula are all likely in the mix. A new chapter in old rivalries. These aren't just big names. They're athletes Eala has already tested herself against, and in some cases, even conquered. Swiatek and Eala, though separated by rankings, have split their last two showdowns in gripping fashion. Eala stunned the Polish ace in straight sets at the Miami Open earlier this year, before Swiatek answered back in a three-set Madrid thriller. A third duel in Montreal could be one of the most anticipated matchups of the tournament. Pegula is also expected to be a roadblock. The World No. 4 may have faltered recently to Filipino-Canadian Leylah Fernandez in the DC Open, but her veteran poise and past win over Eala in Miami remain dangerous reminders of her caliber. Then there's Coco Gauff, a former doubles partner of Eala from the Italian Open. Their potential reunion, this time as opponents, would add an extra layer of intrigue to a growing connection between two of tennis' most exciting young stars. Big names out, bigger opportunity. With Aryna Sabalenka, Paula Badosa, and Olympic gold medalist Zheng Qinwen withdrawing from the tournament, the Canadian Open has suddenly become a battlefield of opportunity. While it's still stacked with talent, the absence of these top contenders creates breathing room for rising stars like Eala to carve deeper runs into the bracket. This is a huge event, but I try to treat every match the same. To stay locked in and focused, Eala shared. What matters most is staying in the moment and trusting the work I've put in. That work includes an upgraded training regimen and a mindset shift that's allowed her to go toe-to-toe with seasoned pros. No longer just the promising junior Grand Slam champion, Eala is now a fierce WTA competitor, battle-tested, fearless, and constantly evolving. Looking toward New York. More than just a major tournament, the Canadian Open also serves as a crucial tune-up for the US Open in August. And for Eala, it's more than preparation. It's a chance to build belief. With 1,000 ranking points on the line, a solid showing here could propel her closer to the elite ranks and possibly secure her direct entry into more top-tier events. But for now, she's focused on the present, taking on the world's best, one rally at a time, with millions of Filipino fans watching and cheering from afar. The spotlight is on. The court is hers. And Alex Eala is ready to make it count.